Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of Waxmas. So you can see we've got a patient here, very blocked up actually in both ears. So this is the first ear we're taking a look at. What we have here is a large blockage of wax at the base of the canal and a dry piece of very thick sticky skin mixed with a bit of sticky wax, mixed with a bit of dry skin, overlapping that at the top. So the first thing we're going to do is just use the standard size ulnar tube. We're going to try and get rid of this sticky section at the top here, because I think hiding behind this sticky section is probably going to be a gap in the wax. This patient's come through because they were experiencing slight hearing difficulty, not major issues, but just slight hearing difficulty. And a few family members have pointed out they were having a little bit of a hard time picking up what was being said. So they wanted to come through just to get their hearing checked. We took a look, we could see the wax in here. So we were just going to see if we get the wax out first and see if that made a difference to the hearing. What you can see here is this sticky section here. See how pliable this is? It's like pulling toffee or taffy, depending on where you are. You can see it's just pulling that away. Very, very stuck to the canal wall, look on that one side. Now we could introduce a little bit of olive oil if we wanted to at this point, but because the wax is moving and we are getting this out, my plan would be to, while it's kind of working its way out like this, leave it alone. If we need to put some olive oil in, we will a bit later on, but let's just see if it comes out without using any to start with. So you can see we've got a grip. I've aimed just behind that dry section at the front here, trying to stretch this out of the canal. There we go. So a nice stretchy piece just came away. That's exposed the wax behind. Now you can see the colour difference, much darker in colour this wax. Lots of little pronounced cilla around the outside of the ear canal here as well. That's the other reason I'm opting not to use the olive oil. It'll coat all those cilla and it'll be very difficult to see. So I'm just trying to manoeuvre the wax into a better position if we can. Just trying to pull down on it, see if it's all going to come away in one big chunk. But you can see the wax itself is very stretchy, but there's a gap just there, as we suspected there would be. So we're going to use the Jobson horn now to go in. Over the top of the gap, just fold this front section, fold again. There you go. You see, we're just gently pulling this forward. See, I'm not going in too deep with the Jobson horn. I'm literally just above that front ridge. You see some practitioners go in and they'll go very, very deep without getting the visualization. You run the risk of hitting something in there you really shouldn't be hitting. So you're better off just going just slightly in and you can get the good visualization. We've pressed it now into the softer section of wax there. Drag that forward. So now we can see behind. So you can see I'm folding again and just going over the top of the wax. Like I'm not going in too deep. Rolling it forwards. Now I know I can go in a bit deeper now with this to get behind it. We've got behind the base section, slowing everything down now so you can see this coming away. Big dark chunk. Whoops, sorry, just lost the visual. Let's go back a bit. Big dark chunk of wax there coming away. There we are. That's rolled out to the canal. You can see it's a really sticky, thick plug, that one. You'll see it again now in a second. There we go. Let's lift that up so you can get a good look at it. So yeah, it's really tacky around the edges. It's like a little ball of fudge. So it's all very sticky around the outside edge. There's the eardrum all looking nice and healthy. Good light reflex there, all looking perfect, pearlescent, shiny. Exactly the way it should look. So this is the patient's second ear. Very similar story on this side. Very thick, sticky wax again. So let's see if we can pull the top down. We may be lucky, there may be a gap behind this, but as it folds you can see that this is one piece of wax really. There's no layering to this at all. You can see it's stretching, it's really sticky, thick. Just slowing this down now because it's taking this section away. You can see I'm just really trying to wiggle this one section out. Oh, it's almost come away. You have to go back onto it. Sometimes if it comes away in a long strand like that, if you put this ulnar tube over the top of it and really sort of go down into it, then it gets a really good grip. There you go, and out pulls that section. You can see now it's dragged some of the wax forwards with it. Where it's been stretching, it's actually pulled that deeper layer in. So I'm trying to fold this top section down. We're going to go back into slow motion now. There you go. Just gently wiggling. I want you to get an appreciation of the size of this as it's coming away. So we've got this whole front section here is quite wide. It's very sticky, so I'm having to pull it forwards and now bend it across. There you go, to the left hand side to get it out of the canal. So we know this is a long piece. Still wiggling. There we are. It's working its way down. Get past those little cilla. We're going to lose the visual just for a second or two. There we go. Look at this as it's coming out. Long, thick, stretchy type of wax. Dark in colour. Let's have a good look behind that now. There we are, eardrum looking absolutely perfect. So I'll show you what we removed now. So this is what came out. So the blob to the left, to about a centimetre or just over a centimetre, is what came out the first ear. You can see the rest of that came out the second ear there. So it's quite thick. Well, I hope you enjoyed day 4, and I shall see you for day 5. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.